Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best Kavu backpack for women, the Kavu Original Rope Sling Pack. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and comfortable sling pack, this one stands out from the crowd, and we're about to show you exactly why. Let's start with the design. The tri-blinds pattern is vibrant, energetic, and unmistakably unique. It's perfect for women who want to express their personality while staying practical. The bag is made with a rugged 600D polyester fabric that doesn't just look good, it's built to endure. Whether you're headed to a music festival, on a hiking trail, or just strolling around the city, this bag can take on whatever your day throws at it. What sets the Kavu rope sling apart is its signature rope shoulder strap. It's not just for aesthetics. The rope is surprisingly soft on the shoulder and adjusts effortlessly to your preferred fit. The strap is paired with a side-release buckle that makes it easy to put on or take off quickly. You can wear it crossbody, over one shoulder, or even carry it in your hand, super versatile for your daily routine or weekend getaways. Open up the pack and you'll find two main vertical zip compartments. These aren't just randomly placed, they're designed for real-world convenience. One is spacious enough for a light jacket, water bottle, or even a tablet, while the other helps organize your wallet, makeup pouch, or a small book. No more digging endlessly for your things. Add in two extra external pockets, perfect for your keys, phone, or sunglasses, and you've got a place for everything. Comfort is another big win here. The ergonomic shape of the pack hugs your back naturally, and the lightweight build means you can wear it all day without fatigue. Plus, since the outer and inner materials are both polyester, it resists moisture, an added bonus if you get caught in the rain or if you're around the water. The Kavu Original Rope Sling Pack is also ideal for travel. It lays flat in your luggage and takes up minimal space. Once you're on the go, it keeps your essentials within quick reach, perfect for airports, road trips, or spontaneous adventures. Let's talk style again for a second, because it matters. Whether you're pairing it with casual wear, outdoor gear, or even using it as an everyday purse replacement, the color options and patterns Kavu offers are unmatched. The tri-blinds pattern we're showing today is playful yet mature, with just the right amount of flair. It easily complements a range of outfits and seasons. As of now, the price is around $60, with some additional shipping costs to international locations like India. But for what you get, comfort, durability, and standout style, it's worth every penny. In conclusion, the Kavu Rope Sling Pack is not just a bag, it's a lifestyle accessory. It supports your adventures, adds personality to your look, and offers practical features that make daily use a joy. If you're searching for a dependable, fashionable backpack tailored for women, this is hands down the best Kavu option available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews coming your way. See you in the next one.